Hi, everybody. I want to explain a little bit about the assignment called the Research Toolbox or the Writer's Toolkit that we'll be doing in English 11. So let's go to Content and go to Unit 2 and go to the assignments. This assignment is coming up as far as being due in a couple of weeks, but I wanted to explain it now because you're going to want to start working on this assignment earlier than the week it's due. So we're going to scroll down a bit until we get to the Research Toolbox. So what this is a compilation or collection of tools that you use as you're conducting research. So what are the different resources that you use when you're trying to find information on a particular topic? And what you're going to do is create a sort of list or table that lists all the different tools that you used. So let me show you, there's a link to that document, and you can see that there are different kinds of things that you're doing as you do research, and a space for you to list the tools that you used. So what did you do when you were trying to find and evaluate sources? What were you doing when you tried to save and tag sources? What did you do when you were trying to do APA in-text citations? What did you do when you tried to create your references page? And what did you do when you were trying to summarize an article that you read? Now, a lot of this won't make sense until you understand what those different pieces mean, but I just want to let you know that as we discuss these things and as you're doing them, you want to jot down the tools that you used. If you wait until this assignment is due, it's hard to remember all the ways that you got help or got some sort of resource to set up your references page or find sources or whatever the category might be. Let me also show you a sample. So there is an example in the instructions of what that might look like. So you can look at this sample and see some of the things that were listed, and they may help you as well. So you want to try to think about this as you're going through Unit 2, as we go through each of these different steps to try to find good information when you're researching a topic. This, go back here to where we are. This assignment is worth 100 points. And there is a rubric, so you can look at that to see how you'll be graded. And again, this will be something that you'll be working on over the next couple of weeks. You can check our schedule to see when it's actually due. But just keep this in mind as you're looking at information, trying to find information. Just jot down the things that you use to help you. Okay, hopefully that will help you with this assignment.